Hola amigos, we are in sunny Los Angeles, California. Yes, I'm back in the US doing a special project which I'm not sure if I'm allowed to talk about yet, but we'll find out by the end of this video. But I at least wanted to show you around one of the best cities in the world. I'll be touring around the city and showing you some of LA's famous landmarks like Venice Beach, Santa Monica Pier, Hollywood, the Griffith Observatory, downtown, Chinatown, and overall just experiencing what makes California and LA one of the best places in the world. My first time in LA was in 2016 on my first big road trip around the country, and after exploring so much of the nature out west, this was the first city experience I had, and after a few days I was pretty much already sick of it. I just wanted to get back into nature, which I feel left a strange taste in my mouth about Los Angeles. For years, I always talked about it as such a busy city, people just focused on work. Now that I've come back, I'm experiencing it for the first time all over again. So arriving back to LA, I was feeling the fresh air, the sunny weather, the clouds, the palm trees, everything has felt so beautiful. Then even in the same day, I was like, I don't know, is this place really for me? I don't know. I was going back and forth between, do I love this place? Is it overrated? I don't know, we'll find out. We still got a few days to explore, so let's see how we really feel about LA. Right now, I'm on Venice Beach, exploring the palm trees, the coastline, reconnecting with the Pacific Ocean, one of my favorite places to be in the world. It's not so often that I'm on the Pacific side, but it really is marvelous every single time. So if you do anything in LA, is make sure you go to the beach, because being on the coast of an entire continent of a country like the USA is really a special thing to connect with. Hola amigos, I'm at Echo Park. Just spent the day touring around LA. Hope you've been enjoying the views so far. So far I've been really enjoying chilling in Silver Lake and Echo Park. Very good weather, nice shops, nice people, nice parks. Echo Park is known for all of their swan and geese that you've seen through. They've been pretty friendly. They're pretty used to people. Overall, LA's been really enjoyable. I've always thought California was the best state in the United States, but I haven't chosen to live here yet just because it's so expensive. It's like crazy. I was living in Seattle for a while, which is a smidge less expensive, but still it's really nice to be in a city where the world comes to visit. You hear a lot of languages here from Asia, from Mexico, and I think that's about it. But it's always nice to hear Spanish around you and have people from Latin culture. A lot of good food. It's been really so good to eat here. Yeah, so overall, I like LA. It's nice. It depends on your intentions here. Ubering around has been pretty effective. Driving yourself, I feel, would be stressful, but it's nice just to cruise around and enjoy. I think my least favorite part is Hollywood. I feel like it's pretty overrated, and I don't know, I just felt very plastic and very touristic, of course, but it was whatever. Everywhere else has been really nice, just being surrounded by such nice lush trees and gardens and plants and animals and sunny weather and clouds and mountain views all around, and it's by the ocean. You get the water too. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of LA. Next, we're heading off to New York City. So catch me in the next episode for some more city views out there. I'll be filming some more landmarks and checking out some nice places. If you want to check out the special project I'm here to film, I'll put a link in the description below. I'll catch you on the other side of the country, guys. Ciao for now.